Came at night, a steady tone, a whisper wrapped in monochrome. No thunder roared, no lightning fell, just silence with a tale to tell.
We watched the skies, we searched the air for patterns laced in cosmic prayer. The numbers sang, the static wept, a secret that the silence kept.
We heard a voice through stars unknown, not made of flesh, not made of bone. It called to us from dark and deep, from dreams that never dared to sleep. The ocean stilled, the circuits burned, as ancient dust in orbit turned. It spoke in light, in pulse and wave, and asked us, are you wise or brave?
Answered not with war or flame, but questions carved from doubt and shame. A mirror held to all we've done, reflected in a foreign sun.
We heard a voice through stars unknown, not made of flesh, not made of bone. It called to us from dark and deep, from dreams that never dared to sleep. Do you destroy what you don't see? Do you fear what dares to be? Will you listen? Will you learn before the signal won't return? We heard a voice through stars unknown, and now the night feels